दिख रहा है बेटी?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Again we continue with non-verbal reasoning for competitive exam. जो बोला था non-verbal means it will contain pictures or sometimes numbers but no words. देखो first picture ये वाला easy है. Complete the sequence. What will come after this? Next वाला में क्या आएगा? Check with any one, either with arrow or with the letters IC or with the brackets, one by one. पूरा फिगर एक साथ मत लो. See any one of them. एरो देखेगा तो पहले एरो देख के निकाल लो, फिर या IC देखो या ब्रैकेट दो. See one by one. Which one is the odd one out? No, odd one out. Complete the sequence. What will come afterwards? What should come afterwards? See the sequence. बोलो कौन वाला? एक एक करके बोलो बेटी, तुमको आंसर नहीं बोलना है, एक एक करके करो. रीजनिंग भी बोलते जाओ. व्हाट यू आर थिंकिंग.
Second option.
हाँ बेटी,
Second option.
सेकेंड ऑप्शन देखते हैं. सेकेंड ऑप्शन. ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट यू आर सीइंग, once you are getting this arrow and once you are getting the opposite arrow. So see the arrow, see the bracket, sorry not arrow, see the bracket and उल्टा ब्रैकेट में अब आना चाहिए उल्टा ब्रैकेट. सीधा ब्रैकेट उल्टा ब्रैकेट. सो उल्टा ब्रैकेट कहां पर है? यहां पर है और यहां पर है, दोनों में ही है, बाकी नहीं में नहीं है. तो दो को बाकी तो भूल जाओ. सेकेंड ICCI शुड कम CI.
Yes.
बस हो गया तुम्हारा सेकेंड ऑप्शन. एरो को देखने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ा, लेकिन जरूरत पड़ेगा. दो तो अप एरो, दो तो डाउन एरो, तो दो तो अप एरो आएगा. सो दिस शुड बी अप एरो. सो इवन इफ यू सी द एरो यू आर गेटिंग इट. सो यू गॉट द सेकेंड ऑप्शन. वेरी गुड. टू अप एरो, टू डाउन एरो, द brackets and ulta brackets alternating, and IC and CI alternating. Now see this one. Complete the sequence. Well, see one by one. Either see the outer one, inner one relationship. Now though you got only two figures, so see the outer one and inner one relationship. What will come in the fifth position? Completing the sequence. Which one will come in the fifth sequence? 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to make a choice out of the options given. Yeah, bolo beti. Which one should come in the sequence after the fourth one? Think of the pattern, how the figures are coming one after another, and then see. A, B, C, D, E. Which one should come in this position? What should come in this position? Yeah.
Option C.
Option C. Very good. So option C. What we got was the outer figure becomes the inner figure. What is the outer figure? Here it becomes the inner figure. Here what is the outer figure? It becomes the inner figure. And here what is the outer figure? That L type, it becomes the inner figure. So we want this figure to be the inner figure. This figure should be the inner figure. This figure should be the inner figure. So this figure is the inner figure here. Right? Outer figure becomes the inner figure. ये outer figure था, this became the inner figure. This arrow was the outer figure, that became the inner figure. L was the outer figure, that became the inner figure. So ये जो king जैसे crown है, that should become the inner figure. Option C. Very good. And also see the number of side. बोलना बोलिए. Number of side is first में है inside में 3, outside में 4. Then inside 4, outside 5. Then inside 5, outside 6. That also is there. So you can also choose for 7 side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That also you can choose. Now, complete the sequence. The figure is gradually developing, either a branch or a circle, or the circle being filled up. So what should come after the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sixth one? What is the sixth one? See how the figure develops. Actually, it's not changing, it is developing. One by one extra things are being added. You are adding one by one or two extra things. So you are developing or adding things. So which one should be added? A B C D ऑप्शन है, बोलो कौन वाला आएगा after this? What option should come after this? See what they are developing and also the order, in which order the development is taking place. Then what should come after this?
Option D.
Option D. Okay, let us see. Yeah, right. What did you see? One branch, first right side mein, then left side. The branch is always developing on the right side first, so you know that the branch should be developing on the right side. One. So as soon as you saw branch developing on the right side, that means this one, the branch is on the left side. Here no branch is developing, and here also no. ये तीनों automatically cross हो गए, तीन तो automatically हो गए. Now खाली देखना क्या है? The circle should get filled, right? The circle should get filled, and always you see the right side is filled first. Then it is the यहाँ देखो right side is filled, then you are filling the left side. So first the right side should be filled. So यहाँ so out of the two remaining क्या है? यहाँ तो उल्टा हो गया ना. The left side is filled, so the right side is filled. You got only the option D. Got it, Betty?
Yes, sir.
Now complete the sequence. See how the figures are changing their positions. There is a कैसे एक एक तो फिगर करके देखो. आप वही बोला सब एक साथ में देखो. एक फिगर देखो कैसे चेंज करता है. कोई भी एक ले लो. And how does it change? Preferably one which changes regularly, then it will be easier. One which changes in a regular fashion. How does it change? How is it changing? कोई भी. You have got a circle, you have got a triangle, you have got a circle with a cross, and you have got a star. Now the figures are changing their position following a certain pattern. So which one will come next?
Option A.
Option A. कैसे बोला बेटी? बोलो. Say your reasoning.
Star movement of direction of star.
First of all, एक movement देख लो. This is always moving diagonally downwards, right? Always diagonally downwards. और नीचे आने के बाद फिर ऊपर जाता है. So it should move diagonally downwards and occupy the second position. So second position कहाँ पर है? यहाँ पर है और यहाँ पर है. तो बाकी सब तुम I don't need. Then you see star. देखो star तीन तो एक साथ रहता है. ये भी देखो तीन whenever एक साथ रहेगा तीन तो एक साथ रहेगा. Triangle तीन तो एक साथ रहेगा. So obviously star भी तीन तो एक साथ रहेगा. So you want the star in the second position from the bottom. So you get this option A. Very good. So option A got. See the star, तीन to star, तीन to star, तीन to circle, तीन to triangle, and also see how the shaded circle is moving diagonally downwards. So it should move diagonally downwards. Now complete the sequence. Yeah. Here you have the movement of two circles. Do one at a time. बाकी outer figure तो ठीक ही है. One circle divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. Now see one of the circle. First see how the black circle is moving, and then white circle. Or first see the white circle and then black circle. One by one. Don't see all at a time. See one by one. Which one should come next? See the pattern of movement. या तो पहले white circle देखो फिर black देखो, या पहले black circle फिर white. One at a time. And what you will get? See what will come in the fifth position. Which option? Observe and say. Which should come in the position number 5? Next वाला क्या आएगा? The circles are moving in the different sectors. The outer circle has been divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sectors, and first the white and black balls are together and they are moving. Now
Option A.
Option A. Okay, let us see. Option A. Yeah. What happened? Black circle is moving 2 steps at a time, right? It is moving 2 steps at a time, and it came here. It is moving 2 steps at a time, and it will also move 2 steps at a time. So this is the position of the black circle. तो this position of the black circle खाली दो ही जगह है, 1 and 2, और कहीं तो है नहीं. White circle is moving anti-clockwise 1 step. यहाँ से यहाँ आया, यहाँ से यहाँ आया, then it came here, then it came here, then it should go to this position. So this is the position of the white circle. यहाँ पर नहीं है. This should be the position of the white circle. So option A. Very good, Betty. So thank you. That was our non-verbal reasoning